Did you know that Swedish dishcloths are compostable? Yes, they are. This is one of the ones I've had for a while, and it is just getting torn and icky and between dogs grabbing them, and it's time to compost this. It's made with cellulose, which is a tree, part of a tree, and cotton, and it is compostable. And all you need to do is just tear it up to pieces and then put them into the compost bin, and they break down. Compost is almost ready for garden time, and I'm ready to put pieces of this in it and have it going back into the earth. Just take them and drop them in there and tear them up to little pieces and watch them disintegrate over the months. Close the hatch and give it a spin. And you'll start mixing in there, and it'll turn into compost. Swedish dishcloths are perfect for washing dishes and wiping down counters.